The rules of rice fall in succession with each step of the harvester. What a great machine! Pulling back in the usual way will often not work as well as it does. As people might not know, these coal blocks are made from coconut waste. The continuous rotation of this mechanism has quickly created perfect patterns. Silicone is a material composed of different elements combined in a complex process. Do you feel satisfied with this paper cutting machine? This roller not only builds sidewalks quickly, but also enhances their aesthetics. SMPW 4032 will be your companion to help you get through the winter more easily. The dough is shaped in equal size at the same time. In just a moment, the baluster has been completed. Pipelliners cloud eaglefish and welding lens at work. Preserve the nutrient source for livestock in the winter-spring season by baling hay. Optimal temperature control ensures work performance by using a skiving thin heat sink. Splitting down the Horween shell for interior pockets from 2 to 1.1 mm. How to make ribbons easily and quickly. The variety of designs and sizes of cheese drawers allows you to organize different types of cheese with ease. From hard cheese to soft cheese and processed cheeses, spices, at the same time, displaying cheese on a tray also creates an interesting and attractive space, making it difficult for people to resist the visual and taste stimulation. With a large cheese tray, serving and enjoying cheese is simpler and easier than ever. Look at the big pizza. You not only feel the appeal of its physical beauty, but also the great taste it brings. With a thin soft crust, covered with a layer of rich golden tomato sauce, the pizza is truly a work of culinary art. Looking at the round ravioli, you can't help but be amazed at the meticulousness and sophistication in the making. Each noodle ball is meticulously handcrafted from thin and smooth layers of bread, then stuffed with a mixture of fresh ingredients. When enjoying, you will experience the unique deliciousness of the rich flavors, and you will not be able to resist the appeal of these soft and rich noodles. The flexibility and variety of the robot allows you to choose burritos with many different ingredients and flavors, from beef, chicken, soy to vegetables and sauces. This customization capability helps meet diverse customer needs and deliver a rich culinary experience. Various colored cakes not only create